We move now to a health alert as the measles outbreak across the country continues to rapidly grow. There are now more than 80 cases across a dozen states. Experts believe it began last month after an unvaccinated family was infected at Disneyland. This outbreak is now reigniting the debate over vaccinations and the choice more parents are making to not immunize their children. And here at home, regulations for vaccinations are updated every year before kids attend school or childcare. But for religious reasons, some can legally opt out. Now parents want to know their rights when it comes to knowing how many kids are not protected by vaccines. News 13's Jerica Insko took that question to Buncombe County Health and Human Services.
To vaccinate or not to vaccinate? That is the question on the minds of many parents.
Maybe the medical profession should look at not having mercury in it because that's not a good thing.
They've all three had the chickenpox vaccination and none of them have been exposed or gotten the chickenpox.
Like the old expression, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure.
As far as immunizations or vaccinations, the list goes on and on.
The polio vaccine that I already mentioned, your Prevnar. There's Hib, which protects against meningitis for young infants.
More and more vaccines are required for school-aged children before kindergarten and 7th grade, but also for kids in child care facilities.
We do know that immunizations work. They are a shield of protection for our community. Children that are not vaccinated are at risk for diseases still.
Since healthcare administrators say unvaccinated kids could bring in something harmful to your children, parents want to know what percentage of kids are not protected where their children attend school or childcare.
And they're welcome to ask that childcare provider, what is your rate in this center? Do I have any concerns putting my child at this center?
It's an issue that's even more relevant here in Buncombe County.
Compared to other areas, we have the honorable distinction of being the highest unvaccinated area in the state. Not good.
That's what they hope this Shield of Protection campaign can change. Jerica Insko, News 13.
Recently, the state of North Carolina updated immunization regulations requiring another dose of the polio vaccine and a second dose against chickenpox for kindergartners, which kick in on July 1st. If you're a parent yourself, health administrators say to ask your doctors for the facts about vaccines.